Hello all, welcome to Awesome Style. This is once again Awesome Style with a new video. Hope you all enjoy my videos. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Please try to press the bell button after you subscribe to my channel to get an instant notification. This video is about Ghirardelli factory outlet for chocolate and ice cream. This is a good time in the summer to visit a chocolate and ice cream factory. Here we are driving towards the factory outlet. Let's find the parking spot and park our car once we reach. Hope you all are with me and watching the video. Ice cream in the summer is a lot of fun. Ghirardelli has been around for over 160 years. This is the oldest operating chocolate making company in America. Ghirardelli is one of the best chocolate brand and ice cream. Now we have parked our car and let's enter the factory outlet. Here you see we are in front of the door where we have to enter the outlet. Chocolate with the ice cream combination is always too good in taste and it's very delicious. Ghirardelli is awesome. They have wide variety of chocolate, ice cream, sundae here. So let's see once we enter inside. Ghirardelli makes life a bite better. Here we enter and you can see this outlet store. How does it look? And I'll be moving camera around for each and every chocolate. There's a lot of offers going on chocolate, and this side you see where you have to order an ice cream. Wow, this is mouth-watering ice cream, especially for the summer. The side you see the drinks. Let me take you to the chocolate area where you'll see the wide variety and range. This is sea salt caramel and intense dark chocolate. Raspberry. Sea salt almond. As chocolate is one of the good idea to be given as a gift, here is a gift boxes where you can pack the chocolates and give as a gift. As I move the camera, here you can see all the different types of gift boxes. Here more chocolates. This is a dark chocolate 60% caramel and more different gift cards also. Mini sea salt is one of the new addition to the chocolate here. Let us move to the other side. Here you see more different things. They also have the mugs, like coffee mugs, chocolates in the boxes or in the different packet in a gift wrap box type, and variety of ranges. Here on the above shelf you see Square's Keepsake Hot Fudge Sundae. Shelf you see grab and go bags in a premium chocolate variety, and there's a teddy bear and 5 for $15. Below you see a chocolate bars which are 5 for $15. That's a $3.99 each. Premium package of the chocolate bag has milk chocolate, sea salt caramel, nuts. Milk chocolate with the nuts is also one of the thing, and almonds really is a good taste, and dark chocolate is one of the thing which everyone likes. Here you see all squares, assorted chocolates with a premium tag on it. After this, let's move on to the next shelf and see what more we have to watch. And a chocolate bar for $3.99. You can do a mix and match and take 5 for $1.15. That's a good deal. Let's see this shelf where you see a chocolate brownie, chocolate chip cookie, dark chocolate, more mugs, and variety of more and more chocolates. Now we are ready to place our ice cream order. So here we are deciding which one to go. Land's End Gold Rush, Hot Fudge Sundae, Ocean Beach, Cookie Crumble. Oh, this looks too yummy. They also have some shake, Nob Hill Chill, hot chocolate, coffee and more. As we have decided to order, now I'm placing the order. Cookie Crumble and world famous hot fudge sundae. These are the two items which we are going to enjoy today. Few minutes. Okay, our order is here. So let's pick it up. You all can see world famous hot fudge sundae and cookie crumble together on the table. Let's enjoy this afternoon with this yummy ice cream chocolate combination.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe Awesome Style.
This is one of the outstanding ice cream sundae.
This ice cream is really very delicious.
Now you can see pick and mix chocolate covered by weight, $8 per half pound, where you can mix two different chocolates and take. Beside variety of chocolate bags, premium products, they also have the pick and mix. Here you see another side where more chocolates and more squares, minis, sea salt, caramel, salted caramel, white caramel chocolate, and minis. These minis are really very tasty. Hope you all like my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Awesome Style. You're watching from California, USA. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.